Folks, I want to talk about big opportunities in healthcare stocks. Now, last year was a huge year for medical stocks, mostly due to the pandemic, where the focus was finding the vaccine as quickly as possible. But this year, well, we've got to look beyond or past the COVID, since the markets always look as far ahead as possible to seek opportunities beyond what's already priced into the current market cycle. Think about it. If during the Trump administration, healthcare providers received over $150 billion in aid, this year we've got a new president who's set on allocating huge portion of the stimulus to government funding to make progress in multiple healthcare industries. Those that in fact relate to the COVID vaccine and some that have no relationship to it at all. Now, I can only imagine the type of money that's going into the healthcare industry simply as a result of having both houses and the president who puts a ton of value into healthcare on board. Think about it, it's a low-hanging fruit. Each of these companies has strong fundamentals and technicals, and I believe each one has a bright future ahead due to the political climate over the next few years, which in fact shaped by the COVID to some degree. First stock, I've talked about this stock over the last year, and it's gone up. Amedisys, ticker symbol AMED. It's a leading provider of healthcare in the home with a vision of becoming the premier solution for patients from home care to hospice to personal care. Amedisys team members provide quality, clinically distinctive care to patients every year. One of the things the pandemic did was expose the state of the long-term care facilities or nursing homes. Residents became one of the largest fatality groups as outbreaks tore through the buildings. Over the past decade, there was already a movement beginning favoring home health care over nursing homes. Medicaid began to shift funding away from nursing homes and towards home health care starting in 2013. With the horrific images of nursing homes during the pandemic, it's expected that home health care is going to become a much popular option for families. 1-year return for this stock is over 61%. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 67% upside. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 94% plus upside. 4 quarters of positive earnings surprises and positive expectations. That goes a long way. Strong upside growth expected over the next 2 quarters with a price target of about $340 per share during this period. Not bad, right? And momentum levels on this stock, I love them. Next stock is Owens & Minor, ticker symbol OMI. This is a Fortune 500 healthcare company that works with healthcare providers and manufacturers. The company focuses on supporting services including transportation, distribution, and inventory management. That's huge in the age we live in. It sells MediChoice brands and medical products ranging from gloves and bandages to medical waste containers. The company also offers custom procedural kits and trays and provides data analysis services. So imagine the golden shovels play. This is a shovels play. If the industry gets bigger, this company grows. Shovel plays are my favorite type of plays. The 1-year return is 354%. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, a staggering 305%. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 268% plus. 4 quarters of positive earnings estimates and surprises. Price target of $36 per share over the next 10 weeks is probable if the market remains intact. The stock continues strong but stable momentum streak and potential upside for several years to come. I like its trading action, and I believe the company's on the right track for further upside growth. And I hope that helps. Folks, there's one thing that's potentially preventing you from beating the stock market time and time again. But making this one simple change could trigger a flow of endless income. Folks, I'm talking about pre-market trading. And if you know how to do it right, you could have the opportunity to triple your gains before the markets even open. In fact, this new pre-market strategy has already handed out 20 wins out of the past 22 trades. Man, that's cool. Posting winner after winner after winner since November. All you've got to do is click on the link below to get all the details. And don't forget, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when I post new videos. And have a great day.